How to get promo code on Fiverr. To get the best deals on Fiverr, this video is for you. For that, first of all, open any browser you have on your device. Then, on the searching bar, search for Fiverr. Then, click on the official website of Fiverr. As you can see, this is the official website of Fiverr. From here, you can sign into your account. Now to get the promo code, a link is in the description. Simply tap on it. There, you'll find out all of the promo code that is available in Fiverr. Simply hit on the coupon code which you want, and then you are good to go. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.